If you're working hard but struggling with money, you're not alone. And you're not the problem. You were taught how to earn. You were taught how to spend. But no one taught you how money really works. In this video, we'll discuss the 7 money traps that quietly keep millions of hardworking people stuck, not because they're lazy or irresponsible, but because these traps are invisible. This is not a lecture. This is a wake-up call. If you're ready to stop just surviving and start building your future, welcome to Finance for the Street. Before we go ahead, do subscribe to the channel. We post new videos every week to help you build clarity, confidence, and long-term financial stability. Now, let's begin. Trap 1. The comfort of survival. The first trap is the most dangerous of all, surviving comfortably instead of truly living. When life feels comfortable, survival becomes enough. Bills are paid, food is on the table, nothing feels urgent, so you don't push further. You don't save more, you don't invest, you don't prepare. Not because you can't, but because comfort whispers, this is enough. You stop dreaming, you stop planning, you stop growing, and the world silently applauds, because a comfortable person doesn't question much. But comfort is fragile, because life doesn't warn you before it changes. A medical emergency, a sudden job loss, a family crisis, and in that moment comfort collapses. That's when people realize that what felt safe was actually unprepared. Remember this, surviving keeps you alive. Planning is what protects you when comfort disappears. Trap 2. Emotional spending. People say money buys happiness, but most people aren't buying happiness. They're buying temporary relief. You're sad? You buy something. You're stressed? You buy something. You're bored? You buy something. And the companies taking your money, they understand this very well. Your emotions are their business model. But here's the truth. Every time you spend money to escape a feeling, you strengthen the very habit that keeps you stuck. And the good news? This is a pattern, and patterns can be changed. Trap 3. Lifestyle inflation. This is the trap that destroys millions quietly. You get a raise, your expenses rise, you get a bonus, you upgrade your lifestyle, you earn more, life becomes more expensive. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it kills wealth silently. Because if your income increases but your savings don't, you're not moving forward. You're just decorating your cage. Your lifestyle, better clothes, better gadgets, better food, but the same stress, the same fear, the same pressure. A real upgrade isn't a better lifestyle. A real upgrade is a safer future. Trap 4. Thinking small about money. Most people don't fail because they dream too big. They fail because they dream too small. You think 500 rupees won't matter, so you don't invest it. You think SIP take too long, so you delay. You think wealth is for other people, so you stop trying, but every big tree starts as a seed, and every wealthy person started small. You're not supposed to start big. You're supposed to start now, if you want to see a better future. Trap 5. No strategy, only hope. Hope is powerful, but hope is not a financial plan. Wanting a better life isn't enough. Motivation alone doesn't protect you. You need number, you need direction, you need a simple plan that works even when life gets hard. Most people aren't following a strategy. They're following feelings, they save randomly, they invest randomly, they rely on luck instead of discipline. But money responds to clarity, and clarity always begins with a plan. Trap 6. Fear of the stock market. People fear 2 things the most, losing money and the stock market. But here's the irony: by avoiding the market, you lose money every single day. Inflation steals quietly, time steals opportunity, fear steals the future. The stock market is not your enemy, fear is. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need shortcuts. You need one simple truth. Slow, steady, long-term investing beats every shortcut in the world. And yes, this is learnable. Trap 7. Waiting for the right time. I'll start when I earn more. I'll start when life settles. I'll start next month. I'll start when I feel ready. But life never settles. It only shifts. There will always be another bill, another responsibility, another reason to wait. The perfect time to start investing was 10 years ago. The second best time? Right now. Because your future isn't built someday. It's built by what you do today. What we learned today is, you're not trapped because you're weak. You're trapped because no one taught you how to escape. Breaking free is not about making more money. It's about making better choices, smaller steps, simpler habits, better direction. Because freedom is not built in one big moment. It's built in small decisions, repeated and stay consistent with courage. Today, make one decision. You will no longer be the person who just survives. You will be the person who builds. And if this message spoke to you, subscribe to Finance for the Street. New videos every week. Real guidance, real growth. Let's build your future together. Stay tuned for next videos.